Hello, English 1A online. This week you're going to begin the process of writing a research paper. The research paper must be on the topic of media. We will read several documents, articles, and different parts of books about media, and you will be watching some films as well. This will give you the background information that you will need in order to write a well-developed 5 to 7 page research paper. We'll take this slowly, so it's not going to be due for another almost 4 weeks. So don't get too nervous about this, too anxious about it. On this page is the assignment itself, and I encourage you to look at that and read it so you have an idea about where we are going. The first thing I want you to notice is that you have to finish reading The Glass Castle by the end of the spring break. So I believe that's April 15th. So make sure that you do that. Then you're going to read pages 341 of 355 of The Curious Writer, and that's 14 pages. And then I have a document called Today's Storytellers, and I believe there are about 6 questions to answer for that. Then that's one assignment. Okay, the next assignment is you're going to read from 349 to 355, and there's different excerpts about tattoos in the book. And so you read those, and then you answer all of these questions here for each one. Okay, so you have to have 4 different sets of questions and 4 different sets of answers, basically. So make sure you do that, and that you submit that as one assignment. And the second part is that you're going to write what's called a flash research paper, and you're going to write about the subject of tattoos and why do people get tattoos. Now you're going to use some of the information that you gleaned from reading those 4 excerpts. This is just a very short 2-page research paper, but I want you to make sure that you understand what a claim is, you have a thesis, that you incorporate at least 2 of the different excerpts, either through summary or paraphrasing or quotations. You can see chapter 12 for how to use each of those. And then you use a very simplified citation, in other words, just the last name in the paragraph. You don't have to put down any dates or anything beyond that, okay? And then the discussion this week is, what are your first thoughts about the question, why do people get tattoos? And you can answer that in a post. Then what are your feelings about the tattoo trend, etc.? And this is down here in the discussion. All of these assignments are due next week, next Monday at 6 a.m., other than the research paper. And then next week we're going to get in a little bit more into media. And again, I'm going to give you some steps to take to develop your research paper. That's it for this week. Have a fun week if you can, and I will talk to you later.